must be gratified at the success that has attended his labors and that of his worthy band of workers in this school. We shall be pleased to welcome any scholars not connected with any school who wish to be enrolled as scholars, also to any workers who will help us. We have again to tender our best thanks to all who have assisted us in the past, and with confidence rely upon them for their continued support in this great work of training the young. We pray for God's richest blessings to be given to this school, and that grace be given to the teachers and officers to enable them to carry on their work successfully. Officers and teachers, Superintendent, J.B. Edwards, Secretary and Treasurer, Mr. A.H. Randall, Librarian, S. Smith, Teachers, Mr. Baxter, Mr. Jeffrey, Mr. Rayburn, Mr. Williams, Mr. Gillard, Mrs. Baxter, Mrs. Lancaster, Mrs. Collins, Mrs. Fraser, Organist, Mr. Gillard. Instant report, Mr. made out, verifying news as research from headquarters, stating that out of 17 scholars in the fires, no less than 16 passed. One, securing the possible number marked, therefore gained the first prize in the whole of Victoria and Tasmania. Two teachers also passed with credit, whilst one secured the second prize for the essay.